Heyo, so I'm Nadine, back again for another episode of Thursday Tables, and I'm in the kitchen at New Shilawon restaurant with Jandi and Youngsun, and they're gonna show us how to make some banchan. Yay! So let's get started.
Oh God, you know everything.
이렇게 잘
That's a lot. Oh my goodness.
onion and carrot and cabbage. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then sugar. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4 spoon.
Okay.
And black pepper 1 spoon.
Okay.
Syrup.
It's corn syrup.
Corn syrup. This one is 이거 뭐라 그러지? 이게 윤기 나는 거.
If we don't add the corn syrup, it doesn't have that gloss when it's done.
It's same shoyu.
No wonder everybody just buy their own.
Yeah.
Buy
And little bit water and
This is our secret ingredient
Oh,
that goes in all of our.
plain water okay, yeah?
Plain water.
You can do plain water, but this is
we
our.
make
Secret fish water.
No, not fish water. Secret broth.
Secret broth.
Yeah, not fish water.
Okay.
이게 이제 물이 한 4도를 끓으면 된다.
And then we just let it boil and simmer until the liquid is gone. And then it's done. It just kind of cooks itself, actually.
This is how you learn to make it in Korea.
이거 한국에서 만드는 거 배웠어, 이렇게? 누구한테 배웠어?
이거 집에서 엄마,
Oh, she learned it from
my mother.
Grandma. At home, and at home you had giant pot like this, and you made giant batches.
Well, they had a big family.
Oh.
So my mom's side, she has 4
Yeah.
brothers and sisters.
Yeah, my grandma is long time ago. My grandma is restaurant. Make kimchi and banchan.
You have to like kind of set it aside
Yes.
so that the flavors, get incorporated, and so you don't serve it till the next day or something.
Oh no, we can serve it right away. Maybe about 15 minutes
Oh, okay.
later.
But usually eat it cold, yeah.
Well, I personally like it warm, right when it's done.
Oh.
And the first customers get to taste the warm one. You know, it's just so soft.
예. 이게 뜨거워야 진짜 맛있어요.
Oh, so most people who go to the restaurant never get to taste the warm one.
Yeah.
Because we always get the one that's in the refrigerator.
Yep.
Oh.
Some people are very lucky to get the first
Oh.
one when it's done and they just love it.
이게 이제 커서 오래.
About the taste.
Oh, some restaurants like the red one, so they add the chili powder, but our customers like the soy sauce based one. When we first just didn't look too pretty,
Oh.
Ready. And
Ready.
off fire and
Oh, okay.
put in.
and then green onion. Okay.
Yeah. Overcooked.
Nice.
So maybe in about 5 minutes we
Okay.
can try it. Taste the difference.
This is one package too.
Yeah.
Let me show you. It actually looks like a big bag of sponge. Like this big bag.
Yeah.
And it's a big rectangle
Oh,
square.
okay. And this is one bag in here in the pot.
1/4.
1/4.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then you have to shred
So
it
we
yourself.
shred it. Yeah, that's what we do during our slow time. We sit down and we just shred these noodles.
Oh, this one is good too.
Yeah.
우리 레스토랑 popular 반찬.
This is
Oh,
this is
yeah.
very popular during
Yeah,
lunch.
it's so good. It's one of my favorites.
And this one too same.
Okay.
Same 8 spoon. This one is 2 enough.
I have to
Half
guesstimate.
And
Okay.
little
Oh,
bit
it looks like
carrot.
baby food.
Yeah.
Some carrots, some red bell pepper, onion, and
Yeah,
chives.
nice color.
Uh-huh.
Any kind okay.
Oh, okay. Whatever you like.
Like spicy and jalapeno is good.
Oh, okay.
This one and seed, two. And sesame oil. Lot of sesame oil.
Oh.
Good.
Oh,
And
that's what makes it good, yeah.
sugar. Sugar is 4. Okay. This one syrup.
Mm-hmm. Oh, corn
Little-
syrup again?
Yeah.
Oh,
little-
that's like secret ingredient. It adds sweetness too, yeah?
A little
Yeah.
bit.
And vegetable oil.
Mm-hmm.
Juice. And sesame oil. This one. Cooking wine.
Cooking wine?
Yes, a little bit cooking wine.
What,
Yes,
what kind? Like white wine?
Yeah.
Sherry?
이거를 넣는 이유는 이런 바다 냄새, 비린내 같은 거 없애줘, 이게.
The reason we put that in is to get rid of the
Uh-huh.
the strong smell from the
예.
the nori.
Oh,
This
okay.
the package.
Mm-hmm.
So, yes.
Take it
When?
out of the bag. Do you have to rinse it or anything? No.
No, don't. A lot of people think they have to rinse it, so they add water in there, and that's how.
It gets soggy.
Yeah. You know, customers ask us all the time, like, what do you do? And every single one of them told me that they had water.
Oh.
My mom's like, don't have water.
Oh, you really gotta trust the
Yeah.
Koreans and the people who package it.
만약에 이 김 아니고 그냥 레귤러 김 있잖아. 그런 거는 이렇게 구워서
If you want to use, she said if you can't get that one, the specific one, and you want to use like the regular, the kimbap nori or sushi
Yeah.
nori, then you have to grill it first,
Oh.
dry it out.
Is there a name?
Hawaiian salt
Okay.
and mix water, salt
Oh, okay.
and put
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So you have to soak your
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
이렇게
Chili
chili and this one
Mm-hmm.
fish sauce.
Okay.
fish.
fish sauce. 나는 이거를 뭘 넣는
Is that a Korean fish sauce or like Vietnamese?
Any kind.
Okay.
Ginger and
Mhm.
round onion, little bit, the piece and 우리는
This is to make the kimchi sauce.
우리 집에 소스 그거는 있는데 없을 때 이렇게 밥.
So you can use rice.
And onion.
and water
Whole rice. Wow.
네, 믹스. 이것도 한 절이는 동안까지 기다려야 돼.
What did she do in days before? Not
영양밥 영양밥
Before, she used to boil rice. I'm sorry, not rice. She used to boil flour, white flour with water, and then use that liquid.
Oh. Why not use flour now instead of rice?
I feel like it just tastes better.
Oh.
Because you know, flour is good.
Oh, that's true. That's true.
But that's how they made it in the olden days.
Wow.
full sugar and you know this one 이거 뭐지?
Fish.
Pickled,
shrimp, salted shrimp.
Uh-huh.
이거 안 들어가면 김치가 안 된다 그래.
So that is the most popular ingredient. I mean, most important.
This
So it
one
tastes
and
so much different.
fish sauce mix.
So, does this one need to ferment?
Well, right now we're making fresh kimchi, so you don't need to ferment it. But if you wanted to, then same thing. You just put it in the.
This one is 이것도
I had
30분치.
no idea that
Oh,
they put
yeah.
rice inside of flour.
Yes, good. Yeah.
So the sauce needs to stay for 30
왜냐면
minutes as well.
이게 더 빨개져 오래될수록.
She said it changes to a brighter red when it's ready.
Okay.
Yeah, different. Now make this one.
Oh,
See,
okay.
kimchi sauce.
Yeah, it's very,
Yeah.
it became thicker.
Yeah, 뭐 3 days.
Yeah.
3 days.
3 days.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, really dark
Yeah.
red.
chives and
Yeah.
green onion, round onion. Yes, little bit. And sauce mix. Yeah.
Okay. Oh wow.
Yeah.
I didn't know you can make quick kimchi like that.
Yeah. This one, like Korean people fresh kimchi, local people is sour kind. One day, 2 days, it's sour. Yeah, nice color. If you like oyster,
Okay.
it's fresh kimchi, put the oyster is good. Yeah. Very expensive. Yeah, Korean people is inside the oyster. Okay.
So how long does this sit?
This one is now eat good.
Now you can eat it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, eat this one fresh kimchi.
And of course, the best part is tasting. This is one of my favorites, the fish cake. Just like when we're the customer and eating this, and we always ask for more, and we don't even think of the labor that goes into it. Thank you. See you next week.